Hailed by the sages as the heart of the Vedas, the Mahamrityunjay mantra can help you tune into the healing force that is always at work within you, supporting your growth, lifting you up in times of trouble, and reminding you of the higher aim of life. It is one of the oldest mantras of the Vedas. A mantra is a sacred group of words in Sanskrit or sound repeated to aid concentration in meditation. Practitioners also believed to have spiritual powers by utterance of it. The story begins with childless, the forest-dwelling sage Mrikandu and his wife Marudvati, who undertook a long penance, hoping to earn merit and the boon of a child. They were rewarded with a vision of Lord Shiv, their Ishtadevata, the deity of their hearts. After hearing their request, they could either parent a child who would be a brilliant spiritual light but whose life would be a scant 16 years, or they could raise a long-lived child who would be witless and self-absorbed. They chose the former, and in time, Marudvati gave birth to a boy named Markandeya. The couple decided not to tell him that he would have a short lifespan, but as he approached his 16th birthday, his parents couldn't bear the sadness. And when he asked them to explain their downcast mood, they told him what Lord Shiv had said. Markandeya, who was already an accomplished yogi, rededicated himself to his practice. On the day of his 16th birthday, Markandeya took shelter in a temple and sat next to a Shivlingam to do his worship and meditation. When the messengers of Lord Yam, the Lord of Death, arrived to take him away, they found him so absorbed in his prayers they could not complete their mission. Returning to Yam, they described their dilemma. Next, Lord Yam himself came to take him away. He urged Markandeya to follow the natural laws of life and death and to come willingly. The kid remained stubborn and wrapped his arms around the Shivlingam and surrendered himself to its protection. Yam, who was determined to take the child, threw his noose to gather Markandeya in, but the noose encircled the lingam as well. This made Shiv so angry that he split the lingam open and emerged in a rage and punished the Yam by killing him. Yam was killed with a blow from Shiv's foot as the other gods looked on in dismay. Fearing that Yam's death would upset the order of the universe, they implored Shiv to bring him back to life. And in the end, Shiv complied, but only with the condition that the kid would remain alive forever. And he was therefore blessed to remain a 16-year-old age eternally. This is the reason why Lord Shiv is also called as Kal Antaka, the end of death at times. In the end, the many reasons for taking up the practice of the Mahamrityunjay mantra fold into one another, whether to enhance your life or to assist in the transition to death. This mantra is ultimately a means for self-realization. The consciousness it inspires is none other than the deep, unending consciousness of the undwelling self. Sanskrit has created a beautiful artwork for Mahamrityunjay mantra along with its meaning in Hindi and English. Hang this wall frame as a constant reminder of this powerful mantra in your living and working spaces. Perfect for creating a positive environment and adding a touch of art to your wall. Sanskrit delivers in more than 102 countries. Link to purchase is in the description below.